everybody. Put your hands together and get your yippee-ki-yay on. Here's Jack.
Alright guys, this is Free As For Me, Jack Bauer from the Jack Bauer Studios. Free, remember, it is free as for me. This is free, all this information is free. This is a 1, 2, 3 movie fix, okay? 1, 2, 3 movie fix. It's down, it goes down quite a bit. I've looked into it. I have a solution that I'm going to show you today. Not that it won't be down at some other point, and I'm going to show you why. But I have the fix hot off the press, okay? Hot off the press, so I'm going to show it to you. So I want you to go to whatever build that you're using. This is my disclaimer. Here we go. Pay attention. The build. I have no idea what you're using, okay? This is the X-Confluence that I built. It's private. It's not available. You can use whatever 1,000 ones that are on the web. I can't promise you the ones on the web. I have not locked a lot of the settings for you because I know a lot of them do. So if you can get to it, this is the instructions. I'm not showing this on the 17 because the 17 1, 2, 3 movies does not exactly work the smoothest as some of the other add-ons. So this is the treasure build version Kodi 16.1. This is the one that I recommend. You do what you want. This is the one that I recommend, 16.1. So go to your system. Go to your video add-ons. I'm going to show you the issue here. Go to your 1, 2, 3 first, okay? Click on the 1, 2, 3. There we go. Let's go.
Excuse me, boss. You have a text message.
Okay. Most recently added. I'm going to show you. Let's see if it works or not, right? Okay. See, that's what most people are getting right now. That's what I'm getting. That's what most people are getting. I don't know if your build developer updated yours or not. This is my private build, so I have to update mine for all of my private underground users. So I'm going to show you once again just so you understand what we're talking about. Maybe your build has fixed it, maybe it has not, but if not, I'll say it again. See, this is what a lot of people are getting. 1, 2, 3 movies error even after the Mucky Duck update, okay? So you're getting a lot of errors no matter what it is. I'll try the year. Just pan around. Again, this information is just free, okay? It's just free. I'm showing it to you on my settings. What I'm showing, what I do in my private builds, it's what I upload to all of my private underground users. This is the issue that's reported, okay? 1, 2, 3. Again, this is on Kodi 16.1. So, what are we going to do? How are we going to fix this? We're going to fix this, right? I'm going to fix this. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Get on the 1, 2, 3 with your Fire Stick remote. Okay, this is no screen recorder. I don't do any screen recorders because I want you to see it live on the Fire TV Stick Android. On the computer, it does work a little differently. Your computer users will report that, hey, it does work. Well, there's a transfer going to the Fire Stick. There's a different sort of settings on the Android versus like a Windows or a Mac. So it's different. So you always see me doing it here on the Fire TV. See? Fire TV Stick. Whoa, magic. Okay? So here we go. 1, 2, 3. 3 squiggly lines on your Fire Stick. Add-on settings. Okay. You see auto view. You see sight. A lot of people report to me that something that's unusual. I've taken a look at a lot of builds. Hey, I have no tabs. You see how I'm showing you the tabs. They're there. They exist unless your particular build locked you out of the settings. I don't know. You'll know by looking at it. A lot of people have told me that on their Kodi 17, they can't get to this. Maybe some of you can. There's a good portion of you folks that don't. There's 1,000 builds. I don't know. I don't know what you're using. But what I am going to show you how to do is how to fix this. Whatever the base URL, this is what's working right now. It could change by tomorrow. It could change, later on. But I'm going to show you the secret one that is working, okay? This 1, 2, 3 is on the move. They're running. They're running from the haters, so they had to change the address again, okay? Lots of haters out there, lots and lots of haters, okay? This stuff is free. It blows my mind why people are posting hateful comments to all of the creators. I have no idea. This is why most of them, as I tell you in all my videos, the developers, coders are going underground. You don't want that. That means all your free is going to dry up. But I keep looking for us. This is what I got from my last meeting. Here it is. I want you to type this in. Got it? Type this in. The HTTPS semicolon / / 123movies.pp.ru. If you did it right, it's going to work. If you did it wrong, you're going to get the error message. If you did it right, this will work. And I'll say it again. Go back, pause the video, look at it again, look at the tabs for yourself. You will see that we have them, okay? This is on the Xconfluence private build, my private underground. All right, you see the addresses in there. I'm showing it to you, I'm leaving it up. Contrast might be a little too high because we're doing it on a TV. Who cares? I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to type this out, put it in the YouTube comments area. It's right down there in the below of the video with all the other fixes that I've done for Zen Exodus Specto. So I've left that up there. Hit OK. There you go. 123 movies. We just back out. Okay. I'm going to show you first one step. Make sure it works. Then we're going to save it. Okay. Make sure we save it. Clicking on the movies. Let's see if we get an error message now. Okay. Remember we just had an error message. I have not stopped the video. I've not done anything differently except talk to you. So here we go. Most recently added. Let's see if we connect. You see it working down there. Uh-oh, we have something. All right, we're in. Now we can now see it. We can now see it. 123 movies. Should be running like Netflix. It's a great working add-on for everybody. See, I'm showing it to you. It works. I know what you're saying. Let's just pick another one, right? Let's try another one. All right. You're going to say something. Look at that.
Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Can't touch this.
Okay. I know what you're saying. Well, hey, maybe you just got that one working. Let's check out the years. Let's check out the years. Let's see if we get in there. I'm just going with most viewed. That's probably too new. I'm going to go with 2016 myself. You do what you want. This is all free. This is just free tutorial, educational purpose only, just free. Suicide Squad. We into that? Let's click it on. Let's go.
Cool.
Right? From the Jack Bauer Studio. Subscribe if you want these updates. These are only for my subscribers. I'm showing you guys the techniques that I learned from some of these underground meetings that I have here at the lab. Okay? Here we go. 1080. Look at that. It's all free. We're not using any sort of real debris or nothing. Got it? I know what you're saying. Okay, and what else do I got to do here? What you got to do is to save your settings. You're going to have to back out. I need you to close your Kodi, okay? I need you to close your Kodi and then reopen it. That will save your settings. Otherwise, you're going to come back here and say, why didn't it work? And it's because you didn't save it. Save your settings, because I don't know. Like mine is auto clean. A lot of the Kodi settings won't save unless you back out and then restart it, okay? So close it up, bring it back. Once you have that, video add-ons, I don't know what build you're using. I don't know where your video add-ons are. I'm just showing it to you on my private build. Here it is, video add-ons, Xconfluence or the Confluence, whichever one you want to use. Keep it basic if you want your stuff to work. Kodi 16. I'm sticking with the Kodi 16 for as long as I can. Movies. I'm writing this out. Everything works in here. I can manipulate the Kodi 16.1 to anything that I want. Recently added settings. Go on the web, search for yourself. You'll see that the Kodi developers are doing everything they possibly can to develop a build going forward. 17, 18 on, because they want to actually get rid of these add-ons. They don't like this crap. They're really fighting it. Slender Man. Uh-oh. Alright, there we go. Nice. Right? Alright. Alright, I'll show it to you again in the thumbnail so you know what we're talking about. See that? Here we go. 1, 2, 3 movies working here for your fix. Okay? Now remember that site URL that I showed you. It could change. It doesn't mean that this add-on is down at all. It means that they're on the move. Okay? We're going to have to change it again at some point. Hopefully, 1, 2, 3 movies doesn't have to go run to a new site anytime soon. But this is what happens. We got to run from the haters. Okay, we got to run. So, if you want the updates, subscribe, and I'll give you the updates. That's where I'm going to put it. I'm going to find a way to keep locking it into just my subscribers, just so that our group knows. Join the team if you want these updates. Hope this video has helped you. And here we go. 1, 2, 3 movies working from the Jack Bauer Studios.